This is Narcan. It is a medication that can reverse opioid overdoses and save someone's life.
Let's say you're at a party and you suspect an overdose. Luckily, I have Narcan. First, open the box.
This is the nozzle, and this is the plunger. It's super important not to press the plunger until you're ready to give the dose. To use, gently insert the nozzle into their nostril and push the plunger to release the medication. When doing this, make sure someone around you calls 911. If no one is around you, then you can call 911 after giving Narcan. While you wait for help to arrive, stay with the person and check for any sudden changes, such as breathing or waking up.
If the person does not begin to wake up or breathe within 3 minutes, give a second dose. If this is unsuccessful or the person has no pulse, begin CPR.
Carrying Narcan means you can make a difference. You can save a life.
You can get Narcan from most pharmacies, like CVS and Walgreens. Free Narcan may be available at local health departments and some pharmacies. Be prepared. Save a life.